The All India Council for Technical Education has closed 58 engineering colleges across India during the 2025 to 26 academic year for various reasons. However, the regulatory body has clarified that students currently enrolled in these institutions will be allowed to complete their degree programs. AICTE, the statutory apex advisory body and regulator for technical education in India, oversees programs in engineering, architecture, management and pharmacy. The council is responsible for ensuring quality assurance, maintaining academic standards and promoting the coordinated development of technical education across the country. According to AICTE, Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra recorded the highest number of engineering college closures with 12 institutions each. Madhya Pradesh followed with 8 closures, while Telangana and Punjab reported 4 closures each. Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan saw 3 colleges shut down each. Gujarat, Karnataka, Puducherry and Tamil Nadu recorded 2 closures each, while Haryana, Odisha, Uttarakhand and West Bengal reported 1 closure each. The 58 institutions that ceased operations, 3 were government aided while the remaining 55 were privately financed. An AICTE official also said that more than 950 engineering courses offered by colleges across the country were discontinued during the same academic year. According to AICTE, institutions are ordered to shut down due to inadequate student enrollment and inability to maintain the required faculty strength and non-compliance with prescribed infrastructure norms. So viewers, do you think the closure of engineering colleges reflects declining demand for engineering education or poor institutional management? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.